everyone, my name is Deepika and welcome back to Law System. In today's video, we are going to learn about Section 6 of Transfer of Properties Act 1882. But before moving further, I would like to give you a brief about this act. All the laws relating to transfer of properties is governed by Transfer of Properties Act 1882. The preamble of the act says that it simply defines and amends certain parts of the law. The act excludes from its purview all the transfers by operations of law. Now, Section 6 of the Act contains some exceptions to the general rule that property of every kind may be transferred. But then, what are those properties that cannot be transferred? Let's find out. First, chance of an heir apparent or spes successionis. When a property is in existence, owned and possessed by a certain person, that kind of property can be transferred. But when a property is neither in existence nor the person owns and possesses it, that kind of property cannot be transferred. For instance, if a person is intending to buy a property but he has no interest in it, then he cannot transfer such property unless he becomes the actual owner of the property. Similarly, if a person receives certain consideration and agrees to sell a property which he does not own, then on becoming the actual owner, he has to transfer that property as there was a contract between him and the person who agreed to buy such property. Also, if a person wants to make a gift of future property which is not in existence and which is not owned and possessed by him at a present time, then he cannot transfer such property at the present time because gift is a voluntary transfer without consideration. Also, gift of a future property is void under the law. Similarly, the chance of an heir apparent succeeding to the estate of a deceased person cannot be transferred. Next is right of re-entry. It is the right available to lessor against lessee for the breach of condition expressed while entering into lease agreement. For instance, if A leases his property to B with a condition that if B sublets it further, then A may re-enter. That is, the lease will terminate if B will sublet such property to any third person. Next is restricted interest. An interest restricted to enjoyment of owner personally is by its very nature is non-transferable, unless the restriction is void under Section 10. There are some restricted interests, namely, right of preemption under Mohammedan law, emoluments attached to priestly offices, the office of a shibit of a temple, and service tenures. Next is right to future maintenance. Right to future maintenance is a personal right in a property and it cannot be transferred. For instance, a right of Hindu widow to future maintenance is a personal right which cannot be transferred. But under the law, the areas of past maintenance can be transferred, but not the right of future maintenance. The next is mere right to sue. The mere right to sue is a personal right attached to the ownership of a property and cannot be severed from it. It is based on a principle of public policy to prevent multiplicity of suits. A mere right to sue cannot be transferred. This right is a right to damage arising out of both contracts as well as torts. For instance, if A commits an assault on B, then B can bring an action against A to recover damages. But also, B cannot transfer this right to C to recover damages. The same rule applies to contracts as well. If A breaches the contract he has entered into with B, then B can bring an action against A to recover damages. But here also, he cannot transfer it to C to recover damages. The last but not least, transfer of public office salaries and stipends. It is against a public policy for a public officer to transfer the salary of his office, as salary is provided for proper performance of its duties. Civil and military pensions are not transferable. A pension retains its characters as long as it is unpaid, but as soon as it is paid to pensioners or his legal representatives, it becomes transferable. Due to the personal nature of salary allowances and stipends, the law does not allow these properties to be transferred. Thank you.